In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Xbox Game Pass on Amazon. This is a quick, reliable way to get a digital membership without leaving your browser, and I'll walk you through each click so there are no surprises. First, head to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Amazon account for your region, since digital subscriptions can be region locked. If you're not sure, glance at the country flag or marketplace in the top navigation to confirm you're on the right site. In the search bar at the top, type Xbox Game Pass and press enter. You'll see several options, typically including Game Pass Ultimate, PC Game Pass, and sometimes Xbox Game Pass Core. Take a moment to read the titles carefully and look for digital code in the listing if you want instant email delivery. Check the duration too, 1 month, 3 months, or other lengths, so you're getting exactly what you need. It's a good idea to open the product page and review the description for region notes and platform compatibility, and to confirm the seller. Many buyers prefer listings sold by Amazon directly for smooth fulfillment. When you found the right membership, click the listing to open its product page. Here, confirm the price, the subscription length, and whether it's a one-time digital code rather than an auto-renewing subscription. If the offer shows promotional details, read them before you purchase so you know what to expect. Next, click Add to Cart. This places the Game Pass item in your cart so you can confirm everything one last time. If you see multiple versions in your cart, remove any extras to avoid duplicate purchases. Make sure the quantity is correct, and double check the total. When you're ready, click Proceed to Checkout. For digital items, you'll usually skip shipping, but Amazon may still show your address for account verification. Ensure the email on your account is accurate, since that's where digital codes and receipts are sent. Now select your payment method. You can typically use a debit or credit card, an Amazon gift card balance, or other available options in your region. If you have a promotional balance, it will apply automatically. Confirm that the billing details match your account to prevent delays. Finally, click Buy. For digital codes, delivery is often immediate. You'll receive a confirmation on the screen and an email shortly after with the code and instructions. Keep that message handy for your records. And that's it. Fast, simple, and secure.